Third grade is coming to an end. Today we're going to do a little bit of math review. On the first section of this slide, you can listen to this video to find out what to do. On the second section in the middle, there is a link to a Kahoot. It's a third grade review Kahoot. And you can click on that link and it'll take you to the Kahoot that you can play to review some of the things that we have done this year. And then still in the middle slide, there is a color worksheet that is reviewing multiplication. So you have to figure out all the multiplication problems and then go through and color it. It's a color by number, so make sure you color it the right way. And then and there's a link for that, and if you need help getting that color sheet and the link doesn't work very well, I'm not sure how well it will work, you can always reach out to your teacher and she can get you a copy of that on paper. And then on the last part of this slide, it says go to Everyday Math online. And there's a lot of games that we have played throughout this year. Maybe there's some games you have not played before, or maybe there's just some games that you enjoy more than others. And today you have a choice of what game you would like to play. And it's up to your teacher, but if they would let you work with a partner, you can do that or work on your own. So you can ask your teacher about that, what they are allowing you to do today.